Pack an order for Ryle. Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to pack Riley's order. He ordered one handmade resin dangle earring. Shout out to you, Ryle. Thank you for your purchase. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button to get notified for upcoming videos. And if you want to order, just visit my Facebook page. You want to learn how to make this resin earring? Just click this card. We're almost done. Now we're finished and the product is ready to deliver. So that's all for today guys. I hope you love this video. Goodbye for now and see you next video. For more video just click this and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.